Hello friends, in this video I will provide you the solution of NPTEL course Programming Data Structure and Algorithm using Python by Professor Madhavan Mukund. This is a 8-week course and the week 5 content is available here, and the week 5 programming assignment is given here. Here is the academic office at the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry has compiled data about the students' grades. The data is provided as text from the standard input in 3 parts: information about course, information about students, and information about grades. Each part has a specific line format like this: the information about course like this, the course code, tilde sign, course name, tilde sign, semester, tilde sign, year, and tilde sign, instructor. Information about students like this: the roll number, then tilde sign, full name. Information about grades like course code, tilde sign, semesters, tilde sign, year, tilde sign, roll number, tilde sign, grade. Each entry is separated by tilde sign. The possible grades are A, AB, B, BC, C, CD, D, with corresponding grade points 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. The grade point average of the student is sum of his or her grade points divided by the number of courses. For instance, if a student has taken 2 courses with grade A and C, then their grade point is 8.50, that is 10 plus 7 more divided by 2. Has not completed any courses, then the grade point is 0. You may assume that the data is internally consistent. For every grade there is corresponding course code and roll number in the input. Each section of the input starts with a line containing a single keyword. The first section begins with a line containing courses, the second section begins with the students, the third section begins with a line containing grades. Then the input is marked by a line containing end of input. Write a Python program to read the data as described above and print out a single line listing the grade point average of each student in the following format, like roll number, tilde sign, full name, tilde sign, grade point average. So this like input, first input is for courses, about the courses. These are the courses. Then the students detail are given here, then grades are given here. So we have an end of input. So this is the output, like roll number, name and grade point. So this is the course, this is the program. So first we have to write this function. This is the function that is used to calculate the GPA. So first create a dictionary grade to point corresponding to each grade. The points are given here for A 10, AB 9, B 8, BC 7, like this. So first calculate, set the total points equal to 0, then calculate the total points and then find out the grade points by dividing the length of the grades and 2. And if the grades is not given there, then return the 0. So this function calculates the GPA. And in main function, create 3 dictionaries of courses and student grades to store the details of course, students and grades. First read the input line. First read the courses. This is the for read the courses and store in the course list. So first read the input, that is the courses. Then use this loop till the next details of students is come. So read the line, then if it is a students, then break from the otherwise split the list with tilde sign, like course code, course name, semester, year and instructor, and then store this in a dictionary. Similarly, for the students, read the input line till the grades. If the input line is grade, then break. Otherwise, split the detail, roll number and full name, and then stored in the link in the dictionary. And initialize the grades with the blank list. Next question, because that here we store the grades. Next, to read the grades, read the new line till the end of the input, then split the grades like course code, semester, year, roll number and grade, and then append the grades with this. Then we have to create a list output, empty list, use a loop, roll number, full name in sorted list, sorted students, calculate the GPA and append the roll number, teach sign, full name and GPA, and for print the each line of the output list. So this is the code to perform this task. Now click on the compile and run button to test the public test cases. Now the public test case is passed successfully. Now click on the submit button for the private test cases. Now all the private test cases are passed successfully. So this is the solution of week 5 assignment 5 of the NPTEL course programming data structure and algorithm using Python. Please submit it on or before 31st August 2023, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the more solutions of these assignments. Thank you.